December the 20th. Christmas is on Tuesday. And yeah, y'all, I'm on my way to work. I got dressed. Just put my hair in 2 pigtails because later on today I'm going to be filming, so I'm gonna put on a wig, so it's no more, you know, really Vlogmas per se. Other than that, I am so excited, y'all. I am so happy for the holidays. I wasn't gonna put up no tree, no decorations, but I ended up putting up my tree. I did. It was just real lonely. Like every time I kept coming down the steps, that little area was just empty. And I was just like, no, I have to put something up. And I didn't want to put nothing up because my tree, like I said, is an old tree. I tell y'all, I took my time and fluffed out each part of that tree so it could look nice. So hopefully this year I can get a tree when they on sale. So that's what I'm hoping, because I want a flock tree. Is that what they're called, with the white in it? Yeah, I want one of those trees, and they were really expensive. So yeah, I'm on my way into work. I may get a chance, if I get a chance, I'll try to show y'all some of the new Weight Watchers food again, because we did put out some new stuff last week and I didn't get a chance to film, so I may try and show y'all this week. So I'm on my way getting ready to walk into work, so I will see y'all in a minute. Protein sticks, and they are how many points? They are 2 points. And then they got the Snickerdoodle protein bar. This is new, and again 3 points. Well, this is 3, and this one is 2. They got this new cranberry orange oatmeal, and it comes 4 in a pack, and they are 3 smart points. They said they're good. I haven't tried these yet. They have the maple and brown sugar. And again, these are 3 points. And then they have the famous buttermilk protein pancakes. And these are 3 points. Now I have the cherry almond trail mix. And these are snack bars. And these are, how many points? And these are 2 points. And they have the chocolate caramel snack bars. And these are 2 points. Then they have the sweet and salty nut bars. And these are also 2 points. Last, they have the mint chocolate, if anyone likes mint. And these are again 2 points. They have the popcorn, the new packaging. And these are 2 smart points. Okay, I have to show y'all these real quick. These are the chili lime crunchy snacks. And they are 2 points per pouch. I share these are my favorite. These are the ice cinnamon puffs. These are really good, and they are 2 points. Looking for some gift bags for some of my gifts to put under the tree. I didn't want to wrap, so throw it in the gift bag. I want to give a special shout out to my friend slash co-worker. Her name is Miss Sharon. She got me this little gift. And she got me this cute little candle with a little swan. I think this is a swan or something. Cute. I'm gonna go and put this on my desk when I get home. I know you watch me here on YouTube. Thank you, Miss Sharon. Right on my little desk area in my filming room. Film
filming because I don't know, for some reason when I film in my car it shakes really bad, so I don't never really get good footage. I don't know, it's not shaking as bad. I don't know if I need to tighten up the mount, but okay, I got my Christmas gift. I'm about to place it in the bag until Christmas, but I did show y'all this, so that's one of the items. So once I put it all in the bag, I'll show you once it's done. And yeah, I still have the graduation and the graduation decorations up. Okay, here's the bag with the stuff in there. Like I said, I'll show y'all on Christmas what's in the bag. Once you put this under the tree. Here's some of the stuff under the tree so far.
You look better when and they're waiting for you at the house. Santa Clara was built around the Aguas Rojas neighborhood.
There. Look, Miss Sharon, leave your gift right there.
I think I'm going to close out this vlog, and until next time, I will see y'all later. I don't even know which way to look. I wanted to get the tree in the background, so I think this is going to be the end of the vlog. So again, I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye. Okay, here are my two ugly sweaters. They are the definition of ugly sweaters. My daughter's, hers look nice, but mine's looks ugly. And while she's doing hers, I'm going to try it and let y'all know how it tastes. I'm going to save the reveal for my daughter's last because hers is cute. Really made it look all fancy. It said ugly sweater. Hers not ugly. Try it. It's a little bit messy. It's like a chocolate cookie.
I don't like chocolate. I like white chocolate.
And the thing is, I've been filming since this morning. I didn't eat nothing. I'm hungry. So after this, I'm going to fix me something to eat.
We gotta do the reindeer too.
We're gonna do that one. Okay, I done finished my cookies. I think I showed y'all my cookies. Mine's is not gonna be as pretty as my daughter's, but I'm in my pantry because I'm about to make me some breakfast. Like I said, I was hungry. I was filming all morning and didn't cook. I'm just going to make some grits, 2 sunny side up eggs. So I got the pot warming up. You can hear my gas stove clicking, and I'm gonna go grab me some eggs. I got this egg thing, this little plastic container from TJ Maxx. I paid like under $5 for it, and I like it because, you know, you can place all your eggs in there and they can look cute instead of keeping them in that carton, you know, like that carton thing. So here are my eggs. Like I said, when I cook my eggs, I like to use my pink salt and a little black pepper. I'll turn the camera around just so y'all, if y'all want to see the eggs going in the pot, in the pan. And then, like I said, I used my pink salt and a little bit of pepper. And while I'm cooking, I'm waiting on my daughter to get done hers. And then she's also going to do the reindeer thing. So with my grits, I use the instant grits, y'all. I don't use the other ones. I don't use nothing but instant, and these are the instant butter. And I usually use 2 packs in my measuring cup. Don't know why, but I just do. Let me get my spatula to flip the eggs over. Woo. Yeah, I don't like my eggs to run like that. I like them fully cooked, so I'm gonna flip them again because I don't like nothing running. And then I have my piece of fish in the microwave. It's just a small little piece of fish because I had fish last night. Did I put salt on here? I think I did. I had fish yesterday and I just saved just a little piece because my grandma used to always make me fish and grits when I was little. I miss my grandma. Grandma used to love to cook and stuff. Like, she was the kind of grandma that cooked from scratch. Like, she had my kids, my 2 oldest boys, back when I was moving down here in Georgia, my grandma Shirley. And my sons wanted McDonald's. And so, instead of her going to McDonald's to get the McDonald's, she went and cut up some potatoes into french fries and patted up some burgers and threw it in the pan and cooked them McDonald's. And my kids was like, what's this, Grandma? She said, hamburgers and french fries. It wasn't McDonald's, but it was what they asked for. I mean, she literally cut the potatoes up and made them look like french fries. Sons was like, oh my goodness, what the world? Like, I miss my grandma. Miss your Grandma Shirley. Yeah, I just wanted to share that little that little story because it was just so funny to me. My grandma said, oh, we don't do no McDonald's. My grandma ain't do no restaurants and fast foods, honey. She had like a supermarket down in her basement area. She ain't play no games. She ain't buy like the little small cans of food. She would buy the big ones. Like one time she gave me a big one of ravioli. I'm like, Grandma, who am I feeding with this? Like, as you can see, my kids are small, like, you know, skinny wise. They weren't like, you know. I'm like, Grandma, what am I gonna do with this big thing of ravioli? It to me for me to have, like, when I first moved down here, so, you know, we had something to eat. Like ravioli, but I don't think they like it that much, Grandma. But yeah, my grandma passed away a few years ago. I miss her so much. She was supposed to come down here and plant a garden because she's from Philly, well, South Philly. And you know, my grandma old school. Like, she had her own chicken to lay eggs and, you know, all that stuff. And like I was saying, my grandma old school. She had like her own herbal garden, her fresh vegetables and stuff in her yard. So she wanted to come down here to, you know, plant some stuff for me and show me, you know, because I don't, you know, I didn't know how to plant stuff. To this day, I still don't. And she never got a chance to, you know, get down here to show me and plant anything. So, and I remember her one request was, Tamika, make sure I had my Folgers coffee, because she liked it. She liked Folgers coffee. Okay, like I was saying, it's just a small piece of fish, nothing big. It doesn't look all that appealing, but I tell you, you guys, it's delicious. Grits runny, so that's why they look like that. My 2 pieces of eggs. Uh-oh, I think my son smelled me cooking. So here's my toast. I'm gonna put that in the toaster. So I'm gonna sit down and share my breakfast with you all. Here is my daughter's sweaters. Like I said, hers came out really cute. This was our first time ever doing one of these sweater kits. And here is mine. So here it is, you guys. Okay, so here's my breakfast. I'm about to eat, y'all. Lord bless this food I'm about to eat. In Jesus' name, amen. I guess this is my first mukbang. Okay, my daughter tried to fix it as best as she could. She's gonna clean up her mess. so she can do
The
the reindeer kit. I don't know how people talk and eat because I'm so used to just eating. I'm so happy, y'all. It's almost 2019. I'm so ready for the new year to start. Just ready for new opportunities and all types of stuff. And praying this the year my YouTube channel take off. Cause like I said, I don't like it, I love doing YouTube. If I didn't mention, I got toast, eggs, a piece of fish, and grits. So I know y'all don't want to see me eat the whole time. Go ahead. The camera off and let my daughter start hers because I'm not sure if my memory card gonna fill up. But if y'all would like to see some videos with me eating, what are they, mukbangs, give this video a thumbs up and I can cook some food, throw the camera on and start eating for you guys. So again, it's the new year. I'm with trying new things. Excuse my nails. I mentioned in my video I was giving my nails a break from SNS. Not that SNS was the problem, it was because the fact that I had those fake nails on, I took them right off. And I just wanted my nails to breathe. That fish is so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm glad I saved a little piece. It's just enough. So let me finish eating. And the next time I turn my camera on is when my daughters start her reindeer kit.
So I'm going to be making winter chocolate reindeer and sleigh kit. So what comes in it is with the chocolate right here, like the pieces. Comes with some trees and some like little presents. Got to, cause like this is what we're going to be making right here. What we're going to attempt.
At the same time for the video, we did the gifts. We had to use tape because it wasn't staying without the tape. Would have ripped part of the tree, but you really can't see it. She's going to create the sleigh and the what is it? Reindeer. Is little kid friendly. If y'all don't know, my daughter's 12, but if you have like a child under 10, I'm sure with, you know, and the parents' help, it can be done. Here is that. Our battery is flashing, so we're gonna try and hurry up. This is why I need 2 batteries. Canon, if you out there, send your girl some batteries because they are expensive. I'm trying to put it up. The sleigh, she's gonna put her presents on. So if I don't get a chance to say bye, because we're ending the vlog, I'm gonna say it really quick. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like our Christmas vlog, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when I upload videos.
Tryna waste it. You got me running around and I never chase it. Your face so pretty to me, makeup ain't made it.